We will continue on this lecture making stack, but we will come first add label. We forget the label, we put it here, and we make it same color as other buttons show. It's yellow and black, so we come here and choose background for it. I think we will make it yellow, and the text should be, by default it's black. We can make the size bigger, like 70 by system, so we can change it. We can click it and change it to make bigger, so the label will show up, because in that label we will delete the label and we will make it as display area for the calculator. That's why. Let's make the size of this label according to width of, let's say, assume that it's 275. We can change later that size according, so it becomes same size of the other rows or buttons that are inside those rows, and the height 44. So let's make the width according to that. We drag it a little like that, make the size bigger, and also the label word is in the left side. We should change it to make it on the right side. So now we have it. We change the line of that text. It's become like that. I think we need to remove that highlighted color. We make it like white, so become white like that. Okay. We come here, we choose the label. We have the label that will be our display result. What we need to know to make, we choose button by button like that. We can choose all of them together. Also, we come to stack. We make it stack view for each row. Each row will be go in one stack, and the spacing is the space between those buttons. We can make it 4, we can make it 4, and we'll fill it equally, so it's mean each one have same space far from each other. After that, we will come to choose another row and make another stack for it. This is how we will make in this lecture stack for user interface calculator. Same here, we come to spacing. First of all, fill equally, then spacing, as we know, we choose what we need for it, like 11, let's say. It depends, you check it by your eyes, like you know exactly how much spacing you need to give for the calculator. Same we do with the other rows. We make it stack. As you see in left side, there is a stack view and all button will go inside it. We'll make it fill equally also. And then after that, we give spacing like 11 or 12. We come again to check. The spacing is 11. I think we'll make it 12. Other ones also will make it 12. So all will be same. So it will be arranged in the same way. We make all of them after each other like that. After that, the last row is different because the equal button is different size than other 0 and divide one. So here, when we make it stack, after that we will give a spacing for it. The fill should be proportionally. Proportionally is meaning according to size of that button, because the equals button is different than 0 and division. So we need make it to proportionally, fill proportionally, meaning according to that. So we make it 12 or 9 maybe, because the spacing should be less than the other ones, that is 12 already. We choose all of the stacks and we bring it down here, and here we choose this one and make space more or less, like we try to make it by spacing equal. We try, if it doesn't work, we can make the button size less by making the width smaller than that one, the current one. So we choose it. We choose it and double click on width. We make it like 110. Okay. Here we have, we can make it less also, like that. Let's make it like, we choose that stack, we bring it to there. Okay, that's okay. Here we have all stack. So now we will choose all stacks and we will make it only one stack, all of them in one stack. So let's close those tabs. We come here, we choose stack view, we make it all inside one stack view. We make spacing like, let's making 30. Look, it will become bigger. Spacing will become between them higher. We should make the label also according to that stack. So first of all, the width, it was according to our last one, so we change the width. We double click on this line, we make it like maybe 200 and we check it. Okay, let's make it by clicking here, make the size according to this calculator here buttons. The display should be same size here where we make it. So what we need to make this spacing of this label should be same as other buttons. So what we need to come and click on that label, press the control and come to here, bring it here. Where is it? No, not the view control. No, we didn't get that one. Oh, we should make it according to stack as we said before. So we come to label, press the control on keyboard and click, left click from label, we bring it to stack, which meaning we will make vertical spacing according to that stack. Also we need horizontal one, so we press control, also click, come to stack view, also center horizontally, so we have center horizontally spacing according to that stack. This is how we make stack on iOS applications. You can change the spacing according to what we see. Our view, you can make it 20, 30, depends on you how you want to look, your calculator looking. So we have this calculator like this one. In next lectures we will learn how to connect or how to deal with these buttons, because you have many buttons, so we need to make tags. We will